American cars have long been celebrated for toughness, comfort, and style. But in 2025, a shocking number of models are being avoided by buyers entirely. Despite flashy ads and bold designs, these vehicles are plagued with poor reliability, constant repair headaches, and terrible resale value. Consumer reports and owner feedback confirm that some of the biggest names in American automotive are now among the least purchased cars of the year. From transmission failures to electrical gremlins, these vehicles can cost you thousands in repairs long before their true value depreciates. In this video, I'm revealing 10 American cars that no one buys in 2025, explaining why they fail to impress, and giving you tips to avoid wasting your hard-earned money. Stay till the end, because the final car on the list is still on dealership lots, and it might shock you to see why. Number 1. Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300, once a symbol of American full-size luxury, has lost most of its appeal in 2025. Buyers report frequent transmission problems, including hard shifts and total failure in some cases. Electrical issues like malfunctioning infotainment, warning lights, and faulty sensors are common even in newer models. Maintenance is costly because many replacement parts are imported. Driving labor and parts expenses, higher depreciation is another huge drawback. The 300's resale value has collapsed, making it one of the most financially unwise purchases in its class. Even enthusiasts admit that it looks great, but fails where it counts. Reliability. For anyone seeking a dependable full-size sedan, the Chrysler 300 is no longer a smart choice, and the risk of constant repairs makes it one of the least purchased American cars of 2025. Number 2. Dodge Journey. The Dodge Journey continues to struggle with declining popularity, and for good reason. While marketed as a budget-friendly SUV, it suffers from outdated technology, underpowered engines, and frequent transmission issues. Drivers often complain about jerky shifts and electronic glitches, making everyday driving frustrating. Interior quality is far behind competitors, with low-quality materials that wear quickly and create rattles over time. Consumer Reports rates it poorly for reliability and owner satisfaction, and resale value is abysmal. The Journey loses value fast. Families seeking dependable transportation now favor competitors like the Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4. Even though it remains cheap on the lot, the Journey's long-term ownership costs and poor dependability make it a car most buyers avoid entirely in 2025. Number 3. Ford Fiesta, U.S. market. The Ford Fiesta struggles to attract buyers in the U.S. market. Despite being compact and affordable, the car faces mechanical and electrical problems, including failing transmissions and engine stalling. In some cases, safety features are limited compared to rivals, making it less appealing for families or new drivers. Interior materials feel cheap, and many owners report that wear and tear occurs rapidly, creating rattles and cosmetic flaws. Fuel efficiency is decent, but the frequent repairs and long-term reliability concerns outweigh the benefits of the low purchase price. Many first-time buyers regret purchasing the Fiesta and move to more reliable subcompact cars like the Toyota Corolla or Honda Fit. Overall, the Fiesta is one of the least purchased American cars in 2025, proving that affordability alone isn't enough to keep buyers interested. Number 4. Chevrolet Cruze. Once a strong contender in the compact sedan segment, the Chevrolet Cruze has fallen drastically in popularity. Owners report engine and transmission problems, including rough shifts and stalling issues. Electrical glitches, from dashboard warnings to infotainment malfunctions, are common and add to the frustration. Repair costs can be unexpectedly high because certain components are harder to source. Resale value is extremely low, leaving owners with minimal return on investment. Even with its competitive price, the Cruze is no longer a viable option for practical buyers, as reliability is inconsistent and long-term ownership can quickly become expensive. With competitors offering better performance, safety, and reliability, the Cruze has become one of the most avoided American cars in 2025. Number 5. Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass suffers from ongoing reliability issues despite Jeep's reputation for off-road capabilities. Owners frequently report CVT transmission failures, engine overheating, and persistent electronic malfunctions. While the vehicle is marketed as a rugged SUV, day-to-day ownership can be unpredictable and costly. Repair bills are steep, partly because many parts are specialized and labor-intensive to replace. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the Compass low for long-term dependability, and resale value has declined sharply. While enthusiasts may be drawn to its compact size and styling, the combination of frequent failures and expensive maintenance has caused buyers to shy away. In 2025, the Jeep Compass is among the least purchased American SUVs, making it a warning for anyone seeking a practical and durable vehicle. Number 6. Cadillac CT5. The Cadillac CT5 offers luxury and sleek design, but it falls short on reliability. Owners report timing chain failures, overheating engines, and constant electronic glitches. Maintenance is expensive, and even minor repairs require specialized parts, which raises labor costs. The resale value is disappointing, and many buyers feel they don't get the reliability expected from a luxury vehicle. Competing brands like Lexus and Acura now dominate the segment for a reason, offering smoother ownership experiences. In 2025, the CT5 struggles to attract buyers, and many dealerships are left with unsold inventory. If you want a luxury sedan that doesn't drain your wallet with repairs, the CT5 is not the brand to trust. Number 7. Buick Enclave. The Buick Enclave, once admired for comfort and spacious interiors, now suffers declining demand. Owners report transmission issues, electrical failures, and recurring engine problems. Repairs are expensive due to the complexity of its systems, and parts can be costly or slow to obtain. Resale value is poor, so buyers end up losing money quickly if they try to sell competing SUVs like the Honda Pilot and Toyota Highlander, offer better reliability and lower ownership costs. Despite its roomy interior and smooth ride, the Enclave has become a hard sell in 2025. Families seeking dependable transportation increasingly avoid it, solidifying its position among the least purchased American cars. Number 8. Dodge Challenger. The Dodge Challenger has iconic styling, but long-term reliability is an issue. Owners frequently encounter transmission failures, electronics malfunctions, and high fuel costs. Muscle car enthusiasts enjoy its performance, but the majority of buyers prioritize reliability and affordability. Areas where the Challenger falls short, maintenance and repair costs are high, especially for older models. Even in 2025, sales are concentrated among enthusiasts, leaving general buyers skeptical. While it offers fun and aggressive styling, it's not practical for everyday use, which explains why many drivers avoid it. Its combination of expensive maintenance and inconsistent reliability makes it one of the least purchased American cars this year. Number 9. Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus is marketed as a luxury SUV, but engine, electronics, and reliability issues reduce its appeal. Owners report frequent software glitches, overheating, and expensive component replacements. Compared to competitors like Acura and Lexus, it's less dependable and depreciates faster. Many buyers seek luxury without the constant repair costs, leaving the Nautilus struggling in the market. Its combination of underwhelming reliability, high maintenance expenses, and slower resale value has caused sales to drop sharply in 2025. While it looks premium, the Nautilus proves that style alone isn't enough to attract long-term buyers. Number 10. Ford Taurus. The Ford Taurus, once a flagship sedan for Ford, is nearly extinct in the 2025 market. Outdated technology, frequent transmission and engine failures, and declining safety features have turned buyers away. Depreciation is severe, and repair bills escalate as mileage increases. Newer sedans from Toyota, Honda, and Kia offer better reliability, fuel efficiency, and resale value. The Taurus's poor reputation in reliability surveys and declining dealership support make it a high-risk purchase. Few buyers are choosing it today, making it one of the least purchased American cars in 2025. And there you have it, the 10 American cars no one buys in 2025, based on reliability, resale, and owner satisfaction. These vehicles may catch your eye at first glance, but behind the design are costly repairs, unexpected failures, and disappointing depreciation. The lesson? Always dig into real-world reliability before spending your hard-earned money. Choosing the wrong car can lead to thousands in repair bills and endless frustration. Don't let flashy marketing or big-name badges fool you. Your wallet and sanity are at stake. If this video helped you avoid a costly mistake, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a life-saving car buying tip. Car Care Nest is here to help you buy smarter, drive longer, and dodge the cars most drivers regret owning. Stay tuned for more insights in our next video.